Okay, we're coming in for a roughly midday inspection of the quarters. We've got a roostering, Tonto-like. There's Scaredy. She's got her back thrown back fairly well. There's the magnificent they're no longer virgins, but there's the three and their mother. And Roger, handsomely poised, not knowing what to do. Okay, so that's the update. Rained here today in the world of Chicksterville. Nobody's nervous. Nobody's nervous. Nobody's nervous. Because nobody's back is turned. So there's no reason to be nervous. I'm just gonna see how it appears to be going. Okay, we're not getting any pushback from Roger. I shouldn't want to pick any fights. I guess if I extend my hand over in some form of neighborly gratitude, you know, look, it's just meant to be. Look at the girls. And look at how well their little hooches are set up. Can you ask for anything more? It's like a nativity scene. Okay? So, color coordinated, chicken garage. Look, there's the back door. Whoops! What a thoughtful layout of abstract, man-made meets natural, recyclable, reusable life. Oh, there he is. There he is. He's come to say hello. He's come to say hello. Come say hello, Roger. Come say hello, Roger. Come say hello. I'll turn my back. Oh, oh. Ow. Ow, what have I done? I only tried to feed you. Ah! Ow! Oh! Ow! Boy, don't make me come in there. I won't have that on video because I'll lose a lawsuit. No, I wouldn't hurt you intentionally. Here, you want my finger? Make believe it's a worm. Mrs. Fowler would be passing out. Get it, Fowler? Oh, and there's the girls poking their heads out from beyond. They're nervous in the service. All these real farmers around here are going, this poor man. This poverty-stricken man. All right. Peace.